Hello. Good day, everyone. It's me, Jimema Vieira Dualio. Just call me by my nickname, Aya. In this video, I'm gonna introduce to you to an artist. Kinsa nga artist ang akong introduce? It's me, myself, and I. I am an artist. What makes me an artist? Simple. I create art. Karon, I'm gonna show you a video. It is a 2D animation, an introduction video of mine. Na, ano lang. Para ila-ila.
Hello, this is me. I'm here to introduce myself. My name is Jimena Vieira Dualio, but you can call me Aya. Well, I'm not an outgoing person because I don't know how to socialize. So, whenever I have an extra time, I prefer spending it on editing videos and watching YouTube tutorials. Also, if I have given a chance to rap aloud and meet a genie, you know, genie from Aladdin, I would like to wish that this COVID-19 will totally disappear very soon, and hopefully, the world can recover from this downfall. Nice meeting you.
My age, my favorite color, my choice, my sign, my apple sour, my nationality, something that's my name, my favorite food, my color code, and my shoe size.
Hello, good day everyone. I'm here to introduce myself. Just in case you don't know me. First of all, I have a double name, Jimena Vieira. Yeah, that's how you pronounce it, Jimena Vieira. But you can call me by my nickname, Aya. Or call me Honey instead, because I know the fact that I am beautiful. Moving on, I was born on September 23, 2002. Raised in the Chinese soldier, 2002 is the year of the water course. Horses represent ice, and lightness. Water horse personality is charming and cheerful, but that is the complete opposite of me, my personality. I am a misanthropic, mousy, temperamental human being. Ta-da!
What kind of arts do I make? Different kinds of arts. Nagabuhat ko mga arts. Bisag unsara. Depende sa makaya.
Nuts, Mr. Meth, you know how we do. Se acabó. Free drinks in the house.
Ako si Rebren. I'm 6 years old. Problema ko kay kanang kumuduwa pero patunon ko ni mama. Na ako manika pero wala tinika. Gusto ko mukha nagsisiliya pero wala ko kwarta. Na ako'y dress pero wala ko pares. Mauna ko problema nga akong gihunauna. Past me, Doggy Palupe. Elementary me, Daki at. High school me, Donani. Senior high school me, Dahi Moment. Present me, Daati. Masayo. Future me, Daen.
I'm super shy, but wait a minute while I make you mine, make you mine. 널리는 지금도 you're on my mind all the time. I wanna tell you, but I'm super shy, super shy. I'm super shy, but wait a minute while I make you mine, make you mine. 널리는 지금도 you're on my mind all the time. I wanna tell you, but I'm super shy, super shy.
그때 그러기 너무 멀어 난다 지기사구 기다리도 김을 이때
Those are some of my works. Mao tong mga arts nga akong ipangbuhat. And katong tanan kay gibuhat ko to from 2020 to 2022 or during pandemic. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. And that's all. Thank you. That's it, Pansit. Goodbye, everyone, and have a nice day.